Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. Imagine you're working on a function that creates axis titles for a plot, but you're facing an issue with making the text bold. When trying to style the text as bold, you notice that the numbers aren't being affected by the bold styling. It's quite a common problem that many folks encounter while working on plots. Now, moving on to the solution that can help tackle this problem. One way to address this issue is by adjusting how the numbers are treated in the function. By wrapping the numerical value in quotes, you can ensure that it remains as a string within the expression. This way, when a text is parsed, the numbers will also be styled as bold along with the rest of the text. It's a neat trick to ensure consistency in styling across all elements of the expression. Building on the previous solution, another approach you can take is by utilizing the quote function to construct the string with the desired formatting. By incorporating the quote function and using bold along with paste, you can create a bold expression that encompasses all parts of the title, including the numbers. This method provides a flexible way to dynamically generate the axis title with the desired styling for both text and numerical values. To sum it up, maintaining consistency in styling, especially when dealing with text and numerical values and expressions, can be achieved by implementing these handy techniques. By ensuring that all elements are appropriately formatted within the expression, you can create professional-looking axis titles for your plots. And with that, I hope the solution helps you address the bold styling issue in your plot axis titles. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support means a lot.